Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to show list of users on Mac login screen. So if your Mac has more than one user account, showing a list of users on login screen can make signing in much more easier. Instead of typing your account name every time, you'll simply see all available user accounts with their profile pictures, and all you just need to do is to click on your account and enter your password. This is the default layout that most people find quicker and more convenient, especially on a shared Mac. So if you'd like to switch to this view, first click on the Apple logo at the top left corner and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Lock Screen. Now here in when switching user section, make sure to choose list of users, and that's it. So from next time when you reach to login screen, you'll see available user accounts with their profile pictures. Simply choose your account and enter the password to sign in. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.